Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the phone bracelet straps. So stay tuned and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Okay, so these are the different ones that I have. I have pink, purple, green, yellow, black, blue, orange, and the different colors. I'm thinking about doing these right here. Then you have the red, black, with gray in there, and pink and brown. I did the brown one. Then you have another blue, purple, pink, and green. Let me show y'all the ones that I've done. I think I showed y'all the ones that I've done before. This is one of them. I like that color. Well, that's my favorite color, blue. Then you have this one. So I'm going to be doing these on camera if I have any storage on my phone after I get through with some of them. But yeah, stay tuned. So now what I'm going to do is take it out. Put it right here. I don't know what other one I'm going to use. I'm thinking about doing two of them, but I don't know yet. Depends on how my phone cooperates with me and I have enough storage on my stuff. Because it really gets on my nerves when I don't have no storage on my phone, you know. But stay tuned. But I'm using my things right here for it. And let me see. I will use silver. But I know I'm going to be using this wiring right here. This wiring for it. Like I did with this one. It's so light, but yeah. So I always measure it out. Always. To make sure that it's the size that I need it. So I'm gonna do 8.5 and then 3 right here. So yeah. So I had took my scissors and clipped them, so I might just have it like this. Double strand. So it can look right on here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna use whatever one I want to use on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and use these right here. If y'all can see these little things like that, I'm gonna use that. I had to look on this to see what I used because I don't really, remember. But yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is got two of these. I'm gonna take it and hook it like this, but I'm gonna have to bend it so it can go in the hole. I had put it on here already. I had already put it on there because just because it was getting on my nerves a little bit, so I just went on ahead and put it on there. And I'm taking it and pushing it down on here so it can stay on here. So yeah. So I already done clamped it. One fell off. Had to put it on there. Had to put another one on there because it fell off. But I'm gonna start from this end and work my way on up to this. I already done bent it because I'm starting on this end and see what I want to put on here, but it's just gonna be random on there. Random jewelry things on there. That's why. And then you just put it in there like that. But stay tuned, and I'll be back. So this is what I have so far. I'm just doing a random one. This is what I have so far. So what I'm gonna do is see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. I don't want to put that one up there. I'm gonna do that one with a different kind of thing, like this one. Yeah, this little cute one too. So I have it like this so far. Now, there. How y'all day today? Mine's going good. All that good old stuff. After this, when I finish with this, I need one more. What it thought it was gonna run away from me. I have this much left, so what I'm gonna do is put my things on there. Put my I think I'm gonna put one more bead on here to make it even. Then put my things on here. I'm gonna put two of these on here. I done clip my fingernail, not toenails. Yeah, I clipped them too, but I can't do much with these. But hold on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is see, clamp it on down. For it to stay. Yep, for it to stay. And this is what I have. That's what it looks like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get my jut rings out. Take one out. Get my jut rings out. And as for that, I need my other one, but I'm gonna use I don't know where my kids mess with my stuff. Okay, I found my tools that I'm looking for. These two for my junk rings. All I want to do is put it on here and hook them on it. Though it ain't gonna be so rough because I don't have time for the thing to be coming off. I put the junk rings on there. Then I have these little, I have these, and I have these. I have these in gold too, but I'm gonna use these right here. And I think I'm gonna put, because it got a lot of pink in there, so I'm gonna put pink and white. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna hook it on here. And then, ooh, I'll get that down on the floor. Then put this pink one on there. And then take it and hook it on that one. This is what I got. And I have this clear thing. What I'm going to do is, this is my daughter's phone, but I'm going to put it in here like this. As it goes in here. And then I'm going to hook it. So this is what it looks like on the phone. Yep. So yep, I don't made 3 so far. Thinking about making another one tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know. This is what it looks like on all of them. I might just freestyle like I did this when I freestyled it. Instead of using these, I use my own beads on there and spacers. But I did use the charm, one of the charms that goes with it. So this is what they look like. Which one of these are y'all favorite? Is y'all favorite? I like this one. I like this one too. This one is alright. This is like a little kitty style, whatever. But text in the comments or comment below and tell me which one y'all like out of all 3 of these. Even though I didn't do these 2 on camera, I did this one. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Make sure you comment which one of these that you like. Even though, like I said before, I did these off camera. I did a short on these though. And I did this one on camera. But this, But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye.